Governor General of Papua New Guinea, Sir Michael Oboe, our Prime Minister, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bulabinaka. And to my Melanesian friends, Bula! Hey! Bula! That's a lot better. It's been years of sailing in our canoes there, trying to retrace the steps and footprints of our ancestors. This morning we were assured by the governor of Port Moresby that all Melanesian people originate from Papua New Guinea. Governor General, the Prime Minister, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the canoes of Fiji have arrived at your shore of Papua New Guinea. And we have our gifts that we have here with us today. This is a tanoa, where the traditional drink, the kava, is mixed, and also a tapa that symbolizes unity, warmth, and a positive spirit of festival that we're looking forward to. Please accept this as a token of appreciation from the people of Fiji to the people of Papua New Guinea. Thank you.
The government and the people of Papua New Guinea say thank you very much, Fiji, for giving us or presenting these presents to our people of Papua New Guinea. Thank you, true.